Hi guys, how you are doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is the first time watching my video, hi, my name is Etosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and please, if you are watching this video right now and you haven't subscribed yet already, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button on your screen, and if you do, please do not forget to turn on your notification button so you will be the first to be notified each time I'll be uploading a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make whip scrub or foamy whip scrub. Okay, so here we have our sugar. We are going to be making use of white sugar, and we have our base, which is our whip soap. This is going to be our base. I have this at home. I made this about a month ago. Okay, so we're going to be using this as our base, and we have some serums. I'm going to be making use of kojic berry concentrates and white now serum. We're going to be making use of Sepi White strong whitening capsule corrector concentrates, and then we are going to be making use of salicylic acid. We'll be using our food coloring. This is mica, so we're going to be making use of peach color, so you can use any color that you have available. Then we have some other ingredients which I'll be showing you guys later. So the first thing we are going to do is to measure out our base, which is our soap base. So this is whip soap base, and this whip soap contains a lot of humectants. Okay, so if you know how to make whip soap base, you can go ahead and make this scrub. But if you don't know how to make whip soap base, you can watch some other videos on how to make it on YouTube channel. I don't have video of that on my channel, but you can check around. Definitely you will get to watch some other videos on how to make whip soap base. So this that I have here is very, very thick. So it's because it's base, so it has to be thick. So I'm going to be taking just a little quantity. So I'm not using scale to measure this. I'm making this for myself. So if you want to make this, just the most important thing is to get your ingredients correct. The only thing that is going to be different is your sugar, which is your granules. Okay, so this is the base we are going to be making use of. If you want this scrub, you can chat me up. I'll be leaving my number on the screen. 500 grams of this scrub is 15,000 naira. So if you need it, chat me up. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So the first thing I will be adding is salicylic powder. All right, so I'm going to be adding in just half tablespoon. So now you have to be very, very careful when you are making this particular product. Okay, now the first thing you have to look out for is your granules. Okay, so if you are making, for example, you are making 500 grams or you are making 300 grams, 200 grams, depending on the quantity you want to make, you have to be very, very conscious of the quantity of liquid ingredient that you add into it. Because if, for example, you are making, this is 300 grams, you are making 300 grams of whip soap scrub, and then you start pouring in a lot of oils and concentrates or serums, you are going to need a lot of sugar. Okay, so now you have to be very, very conscious. That's why I don't have a measurement or a formula written for this particular recipe. So I just want to guide you guys on how you can get a proper consistency. All right, if that makes sense. So now the next thing I'm going to be adding into our soap base is my kojic deep powder. I'm going to be adding in kojic deep powder. So I'm actually making a lightning whip soap scrub. So in here I have my kojic deep powder, so I'm going to be adding in half tablespoon. So that's it. And the next powder I'll be adding into is my liquorized powder. So this is my liquorized powder, teaspoon of this. Now the next thing I need to add in is concentrate, which is Sepi White strong whitening concentrate. So I'm going to be adding in just a teaspoon of this as well. Okay, just a teaspoon. So the reason why I'm not using skin-free milk, all those serums that are very, very light, is because I don't want this scrub to be too light. I don't want it to be watery or runny. So I just want it to be thick. So that's why I'm using thick concentrates. Okay, the next ingredient I'll be adding is kojic berry action triple action concentrate. So I'm going to be adding in teaspoon as well. And that's it. And then the next thing I'll be adding in is White Now serum. I'll be adding in teaspoon as well. And that's it. So here I have Egyptian milk. So I have been hearing a lot about this particular milk, about people saying it whitens the skin, it gives 4 shade, 5 shade. Guys, don't let anybody deceive you. Egyptian milk doesn't whiten the skin, neither does it lightens. It just glows. It has a lot of skin benefits, like a lot of beautiful benefits, but it doesn't whiten. So don't let anybody deceive you about that. So I'm adding in just half teaspoon. So this is going to serve as fragrance, but this smells so good. And Egyptian body milk is super expensive. Like I got this about 90,000 naira or 100, I think so, about 90 to 100k. And that's 2 liters. So what I need to do is to mix this together. So we are still going to whip it, don't forget, we are still going to whip it. So I have to mix it very well before whipping so that it won't splash. So the next thing I'll be adding is Cabryllic Fabric. This is a humectant, so I'm going to be adding in just half teaspoon as well. So when I made my base, I added in a lot of humectant, So please, if you don't know how to make whipped soap base, leave a comment on this video. Let's see if there's anything I can do about it. Okay, so guys, we are done mixing. You can see how thick it has become. See the consistency, very, very thick. And you can use this as a soap. This is a soap that you can see right here, a paste soap. So you can use this as your mulatto soap, you know, any type of soap. So the next thing I need to do now is to add in my sugar. As I add, I mix. Sorry guys, this is mica powder, not food coloring. This is mica, but you can also use food coloring, like, you know, those type of color that bakers usually use to, you know, bake their cake or design their cake. So I'm still going to add in more sugar. You guys can see how runny it is right now. So that's what I mean by you considering the kind of serums that you add into your soap base. If not, you're going to have a very light consistency. More sugar. So guys, this is the finishing of our whitening face and body glow scrub. So this particular scrub is very, very mild on the face. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. So guys, this is the finishing of our whitening face and body glow scrub. So this particular scrub is very, very mild on the face. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. So it lathers very, very well. So there's no need of you looking for whitening shower gel to use to make your scrub. You can just use soap base and it will give you a very beautiful consistency, as you guys can see. very, very thick, and it's so beautiful. It lathers very well, and you can use this on your face for acne, for discoloration, and it will glow your skin naturally and lighten your skin naturally, so you don't have to be scared of blemishes. And you can use this on your stretch mark, you can use it on all over your body, very mild. So this is how it looks like. So please, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment under this video. And if you want to purchase any of our products, I will leave my number on the screen. You can send us a DM to purchase our products.